Dr. Robert Oppenheimer was an American theoretical physicist and, and the director of Manhattan Project of Los Alamos Laboratory. He was born on April 22, 1904, 1904 to the Jewish parents Ella and Seligman Oppenheimer. He joined elementary school in 1911 1911 and later joined Ethical Cultural Society where he mostly showed interest towards English, French literature and metallurgy. Later, at the age of 18, he moved to University of Harvard in 1922 and completed his degree just in 3 years. In 3 years. In 1925, he moved to Cambridge. In Cambridge, he wrote 2 letters to Ernest Rutherford and J. Thomson for requesting to apply for his laboratory, to apply his name for laboratory. But only J. Thomson accepted his offer under a condition that he has to complete the basic laboratory methods in his lab. Later in 1926, he joined the University of Berlin, of Göttingen in Berlin, where he met famous physicists such as Paul Bauer and von Heisenberg. He was one of the closest friends of von Heisenberg. But the interesting fact to here note that von Heisenberg and Dr. Oppenheimer were the opponents during World War II for creating of atomic bomb. Later, when the war has ended, he realized that von Heisenberg was his opponent. Then there was a letter written to von Heisenberg, but was saying that we were the opponents of each other during the war. The von Heisenberg wrote a letter to him saying that it was unbelievable as two friends were fighting against each other during a war for their respective countries. He got his PhD way before the war in 1927. He later joined as the director of Manhattan Project in October 7, 1941 and conducted the first successful nuclear test, also known as the Trinity test, in Los Alamos. Later during his life, he opposed the use of atomic bombs and development of it. He even created a society for it. Americans has put him in jail for a few days as he was suspect of he was thrown into the jail by US government he was a suspect that he shared the ideas of atomic bomb to the Soviet Union. Later in 1962 he died due to the throat cancer, as Oppenheimer was a chain smoker throughout his life. This is about a theoretical physicist who was also known as the father of atomic bomb. Thank you.